This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your phone supports the recorder, Android 11 or newer, or a manufacturer tool. Once done, open Quick Settings and add the screen record tile so you can access it fast. Next, tap the tile and choose whether to record device audio, microphone, or both. Enable Show Touches if you want taps visible. Press Start. A short countdown begins, and recording will capture your screen and selected audio sources. Now that recording is running, control it from the notification shade. You can pause, resume, or stop without reopening the quick settings. While recording, you can switch apps and swipe through gestures. Make sure to close resource-heavy apps to prevent dropped frames. If you need narration, speak near the microphone and monitor levels in-app. If not, mute microphone to preserve internal audio. Remember to enable or disable Show Touches. When you finish, pull down the notification shade and tap Stop. The file automatically saves to your Gallery or Files app. Once saved, open the clip and trim unwanted start and end sections. Use the built-in editor for quick cuts, and then export or share to cloud, messaging, or editing apps. If you encounter issues like no audio, check microphone permission, ensure the recorder is set to capture internal audio or mic, and restart the recorder app if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.